In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your design in Figma, launch the Yotako plugin, and choose WordPress as your target CMS build destination. To get started, open Google Chrome and navigate to your Figma design file. Once the file loads, make sure you're looking at the correct project and that everything has finished rendering properly on the canvas. This is especially important if your file is large or includes multiple pages, since giving it a moment to fully load can help avoid confusion later on. Next, find the completed page frame you want to work with and select it directly in Figma. Be sure you're choosing the full page frame rather than a smaller group, section, or individual layer inside the design. The reason this matters is that the plugin needs the correct top-level frame in order to understand what you want to prepare for export or build. If needed, you can confirm your selection by checking the Layers panel and making sure the entire page frame is highlighted. After that, go to Figma's Resources panel to access your plugins. In most cases, you can open Resources from the toolbar and then search for the plugin if it's not immediately visible. Once you locate Yotako, launch the plugin and wait for it to open completely. If this is your first time using it in the current session, give it a few extra seconds to initialize. A smooth launch here helps ensure the next selection inside the plugin works as expected. With the plugin open, look for the option that lets you define your target CMS or build destination. From the available choices, select WordPress. This tells the plugin which platform you want to build for, and it's an important setting because it affects how the design will be prepared in the next stages of your workflow. Take a second to confirm that WordPress is actively selected before moving on. At this point, you've completed the essential setup. Your design file is open in Chrome. The correct finished page frame is selected in Figma, the Yotako plugin is running, and WordPress has been chosen as the destination. If something doesn't look right, it's a good idea to quickly recheck your selected frame and plugin settings before proceeding, since small setup mistakes can lead to bigger issues later. That's it for this part of the process. Once these basics are in place, you're ready to continue with the next stage of your WordPress build workflow.